In this video, I'll be showing you how to wind the bobbin, how to prepare the shuttle, and how to thread the Singer 128 and Singer 127 sewing machines. I'll be doing the demo on my Model 128. The Model 128 can be considered the little sister of the Model 127, which is the same machine, except at a 3/4 size. If your version of the machine includes the knee pedal instead of the traditional foot pedal, I'll quickly show you how to install it. The case includes a handy storage area for the knee control lever bar. Simply push the lever into the hole, lining up the flat edge with the corresponding shape inside the hole. Easy peasy. To operate the knee control, simply press your knee or thigh to the right against the lever and the machine will start stitching. The harder you press, the faster you will sew. How to wind the bobbin. Release the balance wheel by holding it and turning the stop motion screw towards you. This will cause the needle bar to stop moving up and down while you wind the bobbin. Push the bobbin winder pulley against the hub of the balance wheel. Now when you turn the balance wheel towards you, the bobbin winder will spin. Place the spool of thread on the spool pin, draw the thread to the thread guide at the top of the faceplate, then guide the thread through the metal guide at the base of the bobbin winder. Guide the thread up through the fork. On the left side of the bobbin winder, there is a knob that you can pull out. Right here. Pull the knob out, slide the bobbin inside the cups, and release the knob. The cups will hold the bobbin in place. This part is a little tricky, but the goal is to get the thread held in place between the end of the bobbin and the right cup. The tension will hold the thread in place. Snip the dangling thread and press the pedal or knee bar to start winding the bobbin. The winder will move back and forth. Don't overwind the bobbin. Once you're done, snip the thread and remove the bobbin by pulling the knob again. Remember to set yourself back up for sewing by putting the bobbin winder back into its non-winding position, then re-engaging the balance wheel by holding it and turning the stop motion screw back away from you. How to thread the shuttle. Holding the shuttle pointy side down, slide the bobbin inside with a thread drawing out toward the right. Place your left finger on the end of the bobbin and draw the thread down into the long slot of the shuttle as far as it will go. Then draw the thread straight upward and under the tension spring. You can access the shuttle and bobbin area by sliding the metal plates. With your threaded shuttle, insert the shuttle into the shuttle carrier, pointed end facing towards the front of the machine. Leave at least 3 inches of thread leading out from the shuttle and close the slide plate, leaving just enough room for the thread to easily draw out from below. How to thread the machine. Make sure that the thread take-up lever is in its highest position. Place the spool of thread on the spool pin and draw the thread to the thread guide at the top of the faceplate. Lead the thread down between the tension discs from right to left, then guide it up through the little wire spring. Continue leading the thread up into the hole on the thread take-up lever. Pull the thread to the eyelet on the faceplate, then down to the lower wire guide on the needle bar. Thread the needle from left to right. Before you sew, you'll need to draw up the bobbin thread. Hold the end of the needle thread and turn the balance wheel toward you until the needle moves down, then back up again to its highest point. You'll see a loop of bobbin thread. Pull both threads toward the back of the presser foot and you're ready to sew. Thanks for watching this video on how to prepare the Singer 127 and Singer 128 sewing machines. I hope this helped you get started with this series of sewing machine. If it's helped you, please give this video a like or leave me a comment. Or hey, why not both? I've also filmed a video about the oiling points on this machine that I'm in the process of editing right now, so if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you'll see it when it's posted, along with my other vintage sewing machine videos and DIY videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.